text message SMS marketing is the best way to reach customers. Did you know that over 92% of people have and keep mobile phones with them all day and night? 73% actually want to receive offers and coupons on mobile phones, and most text messages are read within minutes. How can you use SMS marketing to grow your business or organization? Restaurants and retail stores can send coupons and special offers to instantly drive foot traffic and purchases during slow time. Real estate agents and car dealers capture leads information and deliver property details by also posting QR codes everywhere. Schools, churches, dental and medical offices use SMS to send reminders, confirm or reschedule appointments automatically to greatly reduce no-shows. Use text marketing software to create QR codes, mobile website pages, conduct polls, contests, true-false questions, send special offers, event reminders, product information. Imagine the results you can get when you text 100 or 100,000 people within minutes. So contact us today for a free text message SMS marketing consultation to grow your business.